T helper cell, you don't seem to be doing anything. You should be helping. You should be stimulating other cells. What are you waiting for?
Well, I'm not reacting because I don't have permission. I need to be activated before I can give permission to others.
Macrophage, I thought we talked to you during the innate immune responses. What are you doing here in the adaptive immune responses? What is it that you do? Yes, monocytes can become macrophages and related cells such as dendritic cells and Langerhans cells. These cells have the ability not only to perform phagocytosis, but to rip these microbes apart and then to wear parts of these microbes on their cell membranes in a process known as presenting the antigen. These are antigen presenting cells. They wear the microbes that they kill. Okay, so Macrophage, you're a mighty hunter. You've ripped apart your prey and you're actually wearing some of it. What's the value in that? T helper cells interact with antigen-presenting cells. Once a T helper cell binds to an APC, the antigen-presenting cell can stimulate the T helper cell with a hormone like interleukin. Thus, the T helper cell is now activated and will go on and signal other parts of the immune system. So APCs will activate the T helper cells.
This is how I get activated. Notice that macrophage performed phagocytosis of this red microbe. But after performing phagocytosis, it will rip it into pieces and then transport some of the pieces to the MHC proteins on its cell membrane. So it will present this antigen to T helper cells like me. When it presents the antigen, it will give me a dose of interleukins. These are local hormones which stimulate immune cells. Thus now I am an activated T helper cell, and I can now go and activate other cells. So I was activated by an antigen presenting cell like a macrophage, which was presenting the antigen that it had just ingested.
My compliments to all the varied parts of the immune system. Thank you for your service. Because of your supreme sacrifice, we are able to keep the body safe.